Hello children, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. So children, today we are going to discuss exercises of chapter number 14 articles. Okay, today we will discuss exercises of chapter number 14 articles. In the previous video I have explained this topic articles. Okay, so go and watch that video and then come to this video. Fine. So let's start. Then come to the page number 56 and in question number 1, okay, open the page number 56. So let's move to the question number 1. See, in question number 1 what you have to do, you have to put articles, that is a and the, before these words. Okay, some words are written and here what you have to do, you have to put a and the before these words. Got it? And see children, first one, clock. Then can you tell me what is the first letter of this word clock? C, है ना, this is C. Wait, here C is the first letter. So can you tell me is it consonant or vowel? Then it is consonant. Okay, consonant, and it is also giving consonant sound also. So before the word clock you will use A. Fine. What you will use here? You will use A. Now come to the second one, EMUMO. Then before, see the first letter of this word, here it is E and it is your vowel, and again here it is giving vowel sound also. So here you will use N. Got it? So here it will be here A and here it will be N. Got it? And in this way you will do all the questions. Fine. See, fourth में आ जाओ आप, earth. Then here the first letter is E and it is a vowel letter, है ना, and it is giving vowel sound also, but still you can't use N. You know what? Why? Because earth is what? This is the special thing and then this is the unique thing in the universe. So before this word earth you will use the articles the. Here it will be the. Fine. Then it will be the earth. Got it? Now move to the question number 2. Here again you have to use articles. Okay, see, first one, I have blank bag and blank raincoat. Bag, the first letter of the word bag is what? B, and it is a consonant letter and it is giving consonant sound also. So here what you will use? A. Okay, here it will be A. And see, second में आप देखो क्या है? Raincoat. Then the first letter of this word raincoat R, है ना, and it is your consonant sound, consonant letter. So here what you will use again? A. And then here it will be I have a bag and a raincoat. Okay, now come to the second one, please give me blank glass of water. See, जो A और N है ये हम क्या डिनोट करता है? It also denotes singular countable noun, है ना. Then glass, here the person is asking one glass of water, isn't it? So now come to the other point. Here the first letter of the word glass is G and it is a consonant letter and it is giving consonant sound also. So here we will use A because it is singular countable noun also and it is giving consonant sound also. So here it will be A. So again here you will write A. Then it will be please give me a glass of water. Okay. In this way you will do rest of the questions. Fine. Come to the third one. Cross the wrong articles in the following sentences. What you have to do here, you have to just cross it. And which one you have to cross? The articles which are wrong here. जो articles यहाँ गलत है उसे आपको cross करनी है. Fine. See the first one. I will come back in a or an hour. Then what will be here? See children, in this word R, here the first letter is what? This is your H. H is your first letter and this is what? This is your consonant, है ना. H is your consonant, but then you will tell that ma'am here we will use A because it is a consonant, but no. When we are pronouncing this word H-O-U-R, then it will be hour because H will be silent here. Okay, then जब आप इसे pronounce कर रहे हो पूरे word को, then it is giving O sound, hour. Okay, then यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? Then here you will use it is giving vowel sound, so here it will be we use an, not a. Okay, so and this is your correct one, and which one will be wrong? Then a. So here you will cross the article a. Okay, a will be crossed. In the same way, come to the second one. There is a or the picture on the wall. There is what? The picture. Picture means what? Picture, the first letter of the picture is P, which is consonant. Okay, it is giving consonant sound also. Okay, letter also consonant and sound also consonant. Okay, and here it is denoting singular countable noun. So we will use here what? A, not the. Okay, so here what we will use? A, then the will be crossed. There is a picture on the wall. Got it? थर्ड में आप देखो a or the Statue of Liberty is in New York. See children, Statue of Liberty is what? This is a unique thing. This is a special thing. Okay. So before this word, what we will use? The, not a, because I already explained you in the previous video. So you can watch it. So here it will be the. Then which one will be wrong? A will be wrong. So it will be crossed. A will be crossed. Got it? In the same way you will do rest of the questions by your own. Now come to the fourth one. Here a poem is given. Complete the poem by using suitable articles. Again you have to use here articles. Okay. A and the. See, sorry is blank magic word. And one more thing is there. You have to remember that there should be some rhyming word. Okay. Means the poem is what? There should be rhyming. So you have to care about it also. आपको इस चीज़ का भी ध्यान रखना है कि that is it rhyming or not. Okay. Rhyming भी आपको बनाना है, and then you have to use articles, suitable articles. So see the first one. First in the first blank, sorry is blank magic word. Then here you will use sorry is a blank magic word. Sorry, blank not. Sorry is a magic word. Then because why? Because magic, in the word magic, the first letter is M, which is consonant letter and giving consonant sound also. So it will be a. Okay. Now rest of the question you will do by your own. Fun time. See, solve the riddles. Riddles means what? Paheli. Okay, in Hindi you can say paheli. It is a some funny type. Okay, see the first one. If you drop a white hat in the Red Sea, what does it become? आप कोई भी हैट को ड्रॉप कर दो, either they are white, blue, black, anything. वो क्या हो गया? आप चाहे कोई भी सी में डाल दो, रेड सी हो या फिर नॉर्मल सी, कोई भी सी हो, तो वो तो डूबेगा ही ना. सो इट विल बी व्हाट? इट बिकम्स वेट. मतलब ये गीला हो जाएगा, है ना, डूबकर. डूबने पर वो क्या होगा? गीला होगा. चाहे कोई भी हैट हो, चाहे कोई भी वो सी हो, कोई भी वो समुद्र हो. ठीक है. सो ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक सो मच. जस्ट गिव. इट इज़ अ सिंपल रिडल. सो यू विल राइट हियर इट बिकम्स वेट. सो इसी तरह बाकी करो. ओके. आफ्टर डूइंग दिस वन टाइम यू कैन सी द आंसर्स आल्सो. ओके, इट इज़ गिवन. ओके, सो नो नीड टू वरी. So that's all for today. I hope you would have understood this topic very well. That is chapter number 14, articles. Okay. Now I would like to say you goodbye. So bye bye. Have a good day.